Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another Bella Box project, but this is a mini me size. So I did a video earlier, previously, showed you this one. These two, by the way, have been done by Patti Katai. So she created both of these boxes for us just to show you how fabulous she is. She resized the Bella box, which is this is the original size, to a smaller size. We all love small things. So she resized this for us, and it is so darling. For those of you who purchased the Bella Box tutorial, you automatically get the cutting guide for the resize. It's not an additional purchase. If you haven't purchased the Bella Box tutorial, you get both sizes, all right? And there's lots of inspiration. We've done this in several paper collections. So remember, you get both sizes with your purchase. So the original one is 10 by 7, okay, roughly. And then the smaller one is 8-ish by 6-ish. Okay, so 8 1/4 by 6-ish. Still with the beautiful lattice work. You can also omit the X right here in the middle and do this diamond shape that you see right here as a shaker. All right, so you can do lots of things with this, guys. This one is open, no acetate. You can also put acetate. This one's a combo acetate and no acetate, which makes it really, really fun. But look at this box, how gorgeous. Let's talk about paper very quickly. This is the Flower Garden Paper Collection by Carta. To make this small one, Patti used 1 pack of the 12 by 12 and 1 pack of the 6 by 6. So Carta Flower Garden Paper Collection. So there is your lid. Look at how darling that is. Look at that. There is the comparison in size. Again, you get them both. Please do not think you have to pick and choose. For those of you who pick up this project, there's also SVG files for the matting. You don't have to cut this manually. You can cut it manually, but you don't have to. All right, I always like to give you an SVG file where necessary. There's also an SVG file for this piece right here, this lattice cover, if you like, to cut it out with your machine. The album is adorable. It's an exact replica of what you see in the larger version. It's just smaller. Look at how cute. I just love it. Love, love, love. This is raised, absolutely gorgeous. And in true Patti style, covering everything up with a piece of acetate just makes it so absolutely luxe and luscious. I love it. There are the tags. The sweet little detail of the twine just elevates everything. An insertion point here. Look at that fun little pinstriping there. Oh, love, love, love. So pretty. That's a really nice detail right there. Love that. And here are the same exact pockets, right? It's really a belly band. I just dressed up the belly band, guys, all right? And I did these little, what I call corner pockets. And they're just, so you want to twist to the side and insert. And then, oh, just so fabulous. I love that. And then again, the same corner pocket. Look at how cute this paper. Well, this is the insertion point right here. You have a choice. You can do this or you can do this over here, whichever one you like. This is the slit, excuse me. And it just functions exactly the same way. And these two open like so. And then this one has a fabulous third flip, which is like this. And you can put stuff in there to hold everything together. You can do a little flap closure if you want it to right here. That will work nicely, but this keeps everything nice and tidy. It is entirely up to you. All right, then over here we got a shallow pocket with some inserts here. Really, really adorable. I love this paper. So pretty. So, so pretty. Let's put this back because it just makes it so elevated, guys. I love it. So much more luxe. Just, oof, gorgeous Patti. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the two photo placements right there. I guess I got to turn my fan off for this. And some more photo mats. We got a side loading pocket here. Another one of these here. And there's just a photo mat in there, guys. And look at this, how gorgeous. So let's put these back. Or maybe this was in here. I'm not sure. Not sure, but I thought it was back to back. Another side loading pocket here with some photo mats. Really pretty. We've got the acetate here. So now the pages repeat themselves, but of course when you do different paper, they look completely different. You've got the photo mat tag in here. Really cute. I just love this page. Such a great page, guys. You have to add it to your pages are gusseted. You have to add it to your arsenal of pages. You have to. It's that good. And over here, and this of course is my favorite right here, to get a really nice balance between pattern paper and photo space. So because of this opening I did here, you got 1, 2, 3 places for photos, we're not counting this flap, and a really nice opportunity here for embellishments and pattern paper. So it's good, guys. It's a good one. Okay, it is a good one. Look at all of this space you have here for goodies. Look at that. Really good. And then turn that over. Same deal, my friends. Oh yeah, it did go in there. I got it right. Your photo mats, your beautiful matting. Oh, look at this one. How nice here. We've got this a little insertion point right here and right here. And of course, the slit for your closure. There you have it. That is it. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. This paper by Carta. Patti, you did justice with this paper. Wow. I got to tell you, it's so cute. If you don't have it, you may want to get it. You may want to get it. So pretty. I love the little detail here with the little bobble accents. I don't know what those are called. Enamel dots. With the enamel dots. I can't believe I actually remembered that. I'm impressed with myself right now. All right. And there's the back of the page. How lovely. Really beautiful. Inside back cover pocket. Just darling. I love the collaging of embellishments here, but you can pull them out and play. You could put dates on here. Teeny tiny messages if you like. Just really cute overall. Absolutely adorable project. I know you guys are going to get so much use out of this Bella project. All right, this is the box and album set. You get it in 2 sizes. You don't have a choice, all right? You get them both. You don't have to make a choice if you want the large one or the small one. You can get them both. The cutting guide for the small one is already in the project folder, and the instructions on how to do the shaker is already in the project folder. So check it out. Thank you, Miss Patti Katai, for another gorgeous project. Look at the detail on the box. I forgot to show you guys that. I love the pinstriping. So gorgeous. Beautifully done. There you have it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.